Hi, I'm Lian Dominic Rocapor, currently studying at Greenville Academy of Santa Clara, City of Santo Tomas, Batangas. Akin pong strand ay STEM and I'm a grade 12 student. Nakilala ko po ang FBS dahil sa aming school, which is Greenville Academy of Santa Clara. They chose FBS because they know that it will provide us knowledge and skills that we can use for our future. Akin po experience sa FBS ay masaya po. Mababait po ang mga staff. Tapos mababait po ang mga staff. Malamig po ang mga room. Tapos may libre din pong coffee. At marami din po ako natutunan sa FBS. Alam ko po sa sarili ko na nag-improve po ang aking computer skills, aking pong pamamaraan para po makagawa ng mga website o kaya po mga simpleng logo po na magagamit po sa future. And I would highly recommend Frontline Business Solutions for inspiring computer engineers, ITs. And thank you FBS for a wonderful and unforgettable experience.